Hello everybody, this is Untitled 22. Today I have for you a automatic brewing setup. Right here on the left, this is where I'll put my bottles, and then I'll put my ingredients in this dropper, and then completed potions get filled in this chest. So let me go ahead and put water bottles in. It's going to feed into this brewing stand, and as soon as it's done brewing, it's going to send to this chest. And also this let me see, and it's going to brew the next potion until it's either out of water bottles or I'm out of ingredients. So okay, that set is done, so it leaves. Water bottles come in, and there's 3 awkward potions down here. So let me show you the wiring real quick. My guess is some of you think this is gonna be really huge, but let me just show you. It's not too bad. Also, there's no hopper timer. I'm gonna go around. There's no hopper timer here. So no hopper timer. This runs on logic. So basically, when the water bottles go in, system activates, and when this nether wart is done being used to brew the potion, it's gonna deactivate, and it's gonna, create a cycle. And let me just wait here. 9 goes back to 10, and the water bottles are sent to the chest. I'm out of water bottles, so the system stops. But that's not gonna start the rain. There we go. Let's set this time to 02. So some of you are like, okay, so this is how is this automatic? Is this one item? Well, the way it's set up, you can just stack it, and you can create a complete potion from scratch. So right here, I have this set up for extended fire resistant potions. All I have to do is put water bottles here. Put water bottles in there. It's gonna brew nether wart. As soon as it's done, it's gonna go down here, and it's gonna have magma cream added, and it's gonna create a fire resistant potion, and then the last one, redstone, to make an extended fire resistance potion. So let's just wait. So that finish moves down. And why isn't this brewing? Oh, I have it set up to stop at this chest, so I have to just flick the lever up, and then the water is going to move down. The reason for this is so that I can change each station to brew separate ingredients. So I could just set up all 3 just to brew awkward potions, or I can set it up to brew, maybe a splash potion of fire resistance if I just change this to gunpowder instead of redstone. So there's a couple of things to note, but I'm not going to go over it at this time. So I'm just going to shift over and show you how to build it. Okay, I'm going to build it first and then explain how it works. So to start, let's place down a sandstone block right there. You can use any block. Place down a chest. You don't need this anymore. Hopper. On top of the hopper, you're going to place a brewing stand. Make sure the hopper is facing the chest. You're going to place another hopper on this side, facing towards the brewing stand. Place a chest on top. This is for water bottles. And you place 2 sandstone on top like this, so that you can place a dropper facing down into the brewing stand. Get rid of this block, don't need it anymore. Okay, place 2 sandstone blocks right there. Comparator on subtraction mode. Comparator here. Place a hopper right here. And then you're going to place 3 stacks of items plus 37 items here, like so. Okay, and sandstone on top like that. Torch, place on a block right there. Repeater, it feeds into a block, and then you're going to place it like so. Repeater on 4 tick delay. 1 redstone. Block down here. Another block down here. Up. 2 more. 1 block up like that. 2 more blocks. Redstone there. Redstone here. You can place down repeater here on 4 ticks. Repeater here, 4 ticks. 1 more right here, 4 ticks. 1 more right here on 2 ticks. torch right here. Place down blocks like so. You're gonna run the block here and up here. Redstone. Oops. And you're gonna place 2 repeaters here. One's on 3 and one is on 2. Place a block on top of this torch right here. A repeater here, 2 ticks, and a block right there. Okay. Place down a sandstone block right there. Comparator here. Another block right here. Put a repeater here. Redstone, so you don't forget. Sandstone. And you're gonna run a little block row like that. Put a torch right here. Redstone on top. Okay. And right now, as it is, the system should work. So this is how you set up the system. Let's do nether wart. You place 10 nether warts inside the brewing stand, and you place whatever you have left inside the dropper. And then you're gonna take out water bottles, place in the chest, make sure it works, and it's brewing. And let's do the extra stuff while that's brewing. So you want to have indicator lights. There's a comparator here already connected to this dropper with ingredients. So this one is easy. Just put a lamp right here. It's on. But you need to set it up for this water bottle chest and this hopper. So sandstone block right there. Up, up. Place down a redstone right here. And comparator. And now when you place a lamp here, that's on. But there's no bottles in, so right now it's turned off real quick. And you check the system. There should only be 10 nether wart brewing. There should always be 10 in here. So if you have more than that or less than that, you messed up somewhere. So 9, 10 bottles are gone. You can check in here. I have 9 awkward potions, which I put 9 water bottles in, 9 awkward potions out. So I know the system is working. And now just cover it up. Okay. And there you go. Okay, some things to note. I mentioned earlier that the system always has 10 ingredients. It's always going to have 10 ingredients. It must have 10 ingredients. So right now this light is on, so you know that there's ingredients inside the dropper. So right now there's 51 nether wart in here. I'm gonna take it out. Light turns off. Even after I use up all the ingredients, there's always gonna be 10 inside this dropper. I mean this brewing stand. So always make sure there's 10. Also, when you put bottles in, there always has to be 3 bottles. If you don't have 3 bottles in the system, it's going to clog. Another thing to note, don't take out the bottles when the system is running, or else again it's gonna cause problems. Watch, let me just show you really quick what would happen. I'm gonna put 3 bottles in, no ingredients in. I'm throwing ingredients in, and I'm gonna take a bottle out, and you can see already there's 1 nether wart too much in there. So now I have to take it off. And let's say I had 9 nether wart in there for whatever reason. Let me run the system again. 3 water bottles. The system is gonna run. And I might fast forward it right here, but you'll see what happens. So system is running, or maybe I won't fast forward it. Just bear with me, just a couple of seconds, guys. System is running. System is running. System is running. Okay, done. Nothing happens. That's because there's supposed to be 10 ingredients in here, and then when the bottles are used up, there's 9, and another one gets added, and cycle repeats. I'm gonna go over it more into depth in another episode, but these are just some of the things you know. And lastly, one more thing I forgot, or didn't forget, but I want to mention is, like, let's get the nether wart. Like, let's say you want to change up the system. It's real simple. Like, let's see, there's 10 nether wart in here. And the system is set up for aqua potions right now, right? It's real simple. Make sure there's no bottles in here or the system is off. Just take out the nether wart, take out the wart from the dropper, no problem whatsoever, and just replace it with whatever ingredient you want to. Okay, before I forget, I was inspired by another design by a Dr. PlayStation, what's his name, Dr. PlayStation Nation. Yeah, so he actually had a logic brewing system set up too. So his no longer works, unfortunately, because of the Minecraft update, but I was able to, it inspired me to try to make one that did work and wasn't super huge and big, and this was what I came up with, so thanks to him. And I was gonna include like how this works and all of that, but I decided I'm gonna share that in another episode. So I hope you guys learned a little bit about how you can use this setup to brew potions automatically. You know, like I say in some of my videos, there's no one way to set the system up. I just happen to set it up this way just to show you guys what you could do, but there really isn't one design. And that's my one of my goals, is to make something that other people in the community can use and make their gaming experience more fun. And because that's what I like to do, is, you know, mess around with redstone and create stuff that is practical and even non-practical, but still. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and look forward to my more in-depth you know, tutorial on how this stuff works. Now I can make potions automatically, so then I don't have to worry about making splash potions, so I can use my XP farm out easily. This is freaking awesome. I'm freaking awesome. And oh shit, what the